everybody, I'm vlogging again. Happy Friday. It's Friday today. And I don't know, I just had a lovely time vlogging on Wednesday, so I thought, why not? We'll do it again. I've got quite a busy day again today. First up, orders, and then I've got another commission to do, and I've got some more private trade commission orders to do as well. So I'm going to get cracking with that, and yeah. I know you're all going to be shocked that I'm vlogging again, but you know, while I've got the momentum, I'm just going to keep going with it. Okay, so basically the morning has gone. It's already 12:15, so I've just given Luna her lunch, and I probably will have mine any minute. I don't know what happened. I was packing orders, I was sorting stuff out because a few parcels have to go with a DPD local, like the courier service, rather than the Royal Mail because they're too big and heavy. And I've got some international orders that also have to go that way because I can't book them in online, blah, 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 blah. So I got waylaid with that. Then I was like doing banking, paying a few bills, just going through my emails. I have loads of emails I had to reply to, and I haven't even finished doing that yet. And then it's just one of those Fridays where time has just gone and I've completed nothing apart from doing the orders. And this is the first cup of tea I made this morning, and it's gone cold, and I haven't had one sip, so I'm just gonna have a sip. Oh, now the phone's ringing. See what I mean? Okay, so I am just gonna go have my lunch, and then I'm gonna show you a fabric delivery because I really want to show you, and I'm really excited about opening fabric deliveries. And then I'm gonna catch up on my work this afternoon. Fingers crossed. But yeah. Okay, so I've unpacked it all. I've sorted it into two piles, and I always do this. This is sort of my system. We unpack them on the table over here, and then we can put all the rubbish by the door. I mean, normally I would have taken that out, but I've just left it by the door today. And then I sort it into normally two piles. One pile is normally like restock stuff, and then the other pile is stuff that needs to be photographed or changed or whatever. Mainly it's new stuff, so I need to 1, put it on the till system, 2, put it on the website, 3, photograph it, blah 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 blah. So what have we got? Restocks. I've got this blue floral poplin that we always sell all the time. I've got this one and a pink one, and everyone loves them. In fact, Kathy from So Dainty made the most beautiful dress in this, which I still am obsessed with, but she made it in the pink version. I'm pretty sure it was the pink version, and she looked absolutely stunning. This is another poplin that we sell out of quite frequently. This colour was out of stock for a while, and we had grey in a replacement for a while, which I think is... oh no, we sold all of that. There's the pink of the other poplin. So I've been waiting for this to come back in stock, and it was, so I bought that. And these are linens, coral linen. We never get enough of this. Really I should buy more bolts, but it's one of those things where I prefer buying small runs of stuff rather than having tons of stock, because we don't have that much room here, and we don't sell an awful lot of fabric. It might look like it, but we just don't have the space, so I tend to just order singular bolts when I can. And I restocked on the navy because we're almost out of that. Now, new fabrics, talking of linens, I've ordered a black linen, mainly selfishly because I wanted black linen. I want to make another pair of free range slacks, and I really want a black pair, so I ordered some black linen. So I'm going to have to steal some of that when I've got it on the till. I've got plain white cotton poplin. I don't know why we haven't had this. It's one of those annoying base fabrics that we just never had. And we've got other plain coloured poplins, but someone asked for it the other day, and then I also had plans of making a shirt for the summer, and I wanted a plain white, and then I thought, I don't know why we don't stock that, but got that. And I also got the teal, well, it's blue basically, but they called it teal, but it's definitely blue for me, version of the floral viscose, which we are almost out of in the apricot, but we still got quite a bit of the pink. And Kay made up this tinning the buttons. What's this pattern called? I never remember what this pattern's called. Lotta? Yeah, I think it's Lotta. In that floral viscose, and it's just such a great fabric and great value. I know viscose is always a little bit, it's not the most environmentally friendly, let's just put it that way, but £5 a metre, I think that's okay. I mean, obviously it's not environmentally friendly and it's cheap, but you know, it's just a great fabric. Viscose is basically made in exactly the same way as tencels are. So it's a wood pulp based fabric. But the reason why viscose is always a little bit dodgy environmentally is the amount of chemicals they use to make it. And the manufacturing process has a lot of waste. So that's why a lot of people don't like viscose. More information on my Fabric 101 video if you want to read and learn more about fabrics. I'm no expert, but I have learnt quite a lot the last few years. Now, jerseys. I've got this beautiful white jersey. I just wanted stuff for spring, and I thought this one was lovely. Nearly all the jerseys that I buy are, what's it called? Oecotex 100 certified. I try and do that a lot now, mainly because a lot of people that buy jerseys make stuff for children. So all that means is that it's been tested to not be, there's no irritants or chemicals in the fabric that can irritate your skin. So if it's got this on it, it means it's been checked and there's nothing bad there. You find it a lot on organic jerseys, which I think a couple of these are. But I've also got this adorable white jersey, this one with like palm leaves, little jungle animals, giraffes, snakes on it. I just think it's so cute. I know it's a little bit white all over, but you know, springtime rainbows, flowers. Nice palm leaves, also great for gender neutral stuff as well. In fact, I might have to make something for my goddaughter in that. And then the last one is very girly. This like sagey green colour is very popular with our customers. And this one is a super soft, again, jersey. Just spring, butterflies, flowers, just thought that was really pretty. So I got that. And then these two, oh my God, again, jerseys. I've got a leopard print khaki, like an olive green background. And then I've got the same, but so it's like a denim blue. And do you know what? I need this. So I'm definitely going to buy some of this. Blue is one of my favourite colours to wear, and I'm a bit of a leopard print fan at the moment. In fact, I'm wearing leopard print shoes today. But yeah, I just saw these on the site and they were new prints, and I was like, oh my God, I have to have those. My camera's not focusing on it now. So yeah, I love it. And I love that blue. So I'm definitely going to buy some of that. So what I'm going to quickly do before I head upstairs, even though the day is disappearing rapidly, is I'm going to add the stock of these onto the website just in case anyone wants them. And then I'm going to leave these all to be sorted on Monday because, you know, I've got work to do. So I'm not going to... I'd love to sit here and photograph fabrics and feel them all day and buy fabric for myself, but I'm not going to do that. I'm going to be a good businesswoman and get on with what I'm supposed to be getting on with. Okay, I just thought I'd quickly show you my outfit. So I'm wearing is another, funny enough, another Nora hack. But I basically made it into a dress, and then my mum-in-law Kay, who works here, she sewed it up for me for Christmas because I didn't get any time for before Christmas to finish it. So it's the Nora lengthened and then with long splits in it. I'll show you a picture in the mirror. And then underneath I've got matching Juno leggings from Tilly's Make It Simple book, and it's in the big spot Tilly the Buttons jersey. Let me show you in the mirror, it's probably better. Okay, so can you see that better? Yeah. So it's basically got a little split in it. It's quite long. I wanted it like mid-calf, and then the Juno leggings underneath, because you know, gotta be matchy. I love this outfit. It's honestly so comfy, and I basically made it as my Christmas Day my Christmas Day outfit. It's what the vision I had for like a comfy, cool Christmas day in lockdown. So yeah, thank you Kay for sewing it up for me so I could actually wear it. So I'm gonna do some work now. I feel very unmotivated. I think, you know, when you have a really busy morning and then you sort of like exasperate yourself, and then by the afternoon you're like, but I've only got, what time is it actually? Okay, it's not even 2 yet. I feel like it's honestly like 4 o'clock. But I'm gonna crack on with, I'm gonna prioritise one commission over the other because that one's got a tighter deadline. So I'm just gonna crack on with that. Wish me luck. Okay, so basically it's much later on in the day and I didn't even realise the time. I got stuck into my commission and I still haven't finished it. So I'm gonna have to work my bottom off on Monday to catch up with myself. It's fine, I've got plenty of time. It's just one of those things where I thought I was getting ahead of everything and then suddenly there's like a backlog, and then anyway. It's fine. So I really hope you enjoyed this another little short vlog again. I hope you have a lovely weekend wherever you are, and look after yourselves, take care of yourselves. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Comment with anything that you want to say. I love reading your comments, it means a lot to me. And yeah, I will see you very soon for another video. Happy handmade, everyone.